Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim from Take12, back again. Today we are doing a little bit of tutorial. This is about bevel and emboss using some visual design. Now, it's a little bit simple because I know some of the machines out there, they don't support 3D when it comes to Photoshop. If your machine is not that much heavy duty, well, you know what I'm saying, 3D won't be supported that much there. But today I'm showing you a little bit of tutorial which it will help you out to boost your texture to be a little bit having a 3D. Now what I'm saying here is let us get started. You know what I'm saying? Let us get started. Let's jump in on the Photoshop. Now let me just click the record button here, and I don't need I need the full video. Okay, cool. Record. Here we go. Let's jump in. Boom. Okay, I'm inside Photoshop here. This is an A3 layout. You can click Ctrl+0 and you can just see what's inside here. Now, I just have to use ellipse, since ellipse is very great when it comes to using ellipse tool. That's what I'm saying, man. Now just adjust a little bit of ellipse, then just Ctrl J to do a little bit of duplication. Then I just need it to be here. Then I just click there. Then I have to change one duplication color. So I have to just to keep it black. It's black. It's very dope. Then I just have to rasterize the layer. Since the layer was a smart object, then I just have to match layers. Then I have to click on not Control but W key on the keyboard to give me magic wand. Now I select the place whereby I want it to be deleting, then I just delete it, then Control D. Now you ask yourself, when you have these lines, how do you do them? These are marquee lines. You can just Control D to deselect, or whenever you click it, you can right click it and find deselect. Boom. Another kind of stuff, we have our shape here. I'll need to adjust this shape a little bit since I have downloaded some texture, but actually let me just go back again here. I was using some visual here. Now textures is something which we can use it to give us a little bit of texture in our shapes. That's what's up. Okay, I'll check them out. I appreciate it. Okay, I right click here, then I just say copy image, then jumping back to Photoshop, then just Control V, then we are there, then just clipping mask. Simple. Another kind of stuff, when we're done here, we can just do this way. Just right, I need you to copy all the image, the layers, like the first layer and the second layer to be attached all together. Right click them, say merge layers to be only one layer, then just double tap on the layer. We are heading to turn that shape having a little bit of 3D features like depth. Now you just go to bevel and emboss. Boom, you have straight up there. It looks like a ring. You know why? Because you can see deep inside it created some depth, which is very great. Now you can adjust this depth if you want them to adjust, or the size of depth if you want it. If you go further more, you can be just back to the normal shape. But if you adjust the size of the shape, you can just take it to the place whereby you want it to be taken, which is very great. Now I just adjust my stuff to be here, then it's soften, a little bit of soften, then click OK, then boom, we're having a 3D shape layer. You can just zoom in and see you're having a 3D. The only thing which you're having is that you can't turn it to go sideways. Whenever you just want to turn it to go sideways, it can go sideways, because we know that 3D is 3-dimension, but this one has 2D but has a 3D features which are depth of 3Ds. Now I just squeeze it here a little bit more. You can just even use we can change it to be having a background which is black, and see the black background, how it looks like. You can see, man, it looks great. Now this is not over yet. Now just click here, right click it, just rasterize it. We'll give it a little bit of shadow. Double tap it, drop shadow. That's cool. Then drop shadow, I need a little bit of whiteness, as you can see. Then opacity a little bit, then just size of it. Then I can just opacity a little bit, then boom, we're having our shape turned into 3D. This is very amazing. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, helped you out, don't hesitate to drop that thumbs up. If you find this video very great, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments down below. And if you want me to drop another video of a tutorial sharing with you guys what I know, it will be very amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.